So I had a company gift me this 7-piece comforter set. Now, I said yes because I wanted a new set for my RV, and it actually works perfectly in here. Now, this comforter has a very breathable fabric, which actually keeps you warm, but doesn't make you sweat, which is good. So when you do end up getting the package in the mail, you're going to say to yourself, like I did, what kind of 7-piece comforter set can fit in this little box? But I promise you, they vacuum seal it. So it is taking up minimal space until you puncture that bag. Now, this set comes with 7 pieces, like I said. It has 2 pillowcases, 2 shams, a regular sheet, and a fitted sheet. And the fitted sheet has 0 problems fitting my 14-inch mattress here. Now, I will say that the fabric on this is very soft. So laying your head down on these pillows actually feels very nice. So all in all, if you're looking for a reasonably priced comforter set that has 7 different pieces to it, you may want to consider this one. It is a very breathable fabric and it is super soft. What more can you ask for in this price range?